Alright, so today I'm going to show you how to replace or upgrade the RAM in your Emachines W3502. On this machine, these two knobs, loosen them. You kind of do need two hands for this. It slid out this time. Ground yourself, or at least dissipate any electrical by touching the power supply. Because the RAM is electrically sensitive. You don't want static electricity touching that. This is what we're going to go with. PC 3200, 1GB DDR, DIMM 400 megahertz. Make sure whatever RAM you get is made for that computer. This takes 2 gigabytes total, 1 gigabyte per slot. And this one is locked in by these tabs. Push them down, and the RAM should pop up. Just like that. This is what's currently in it. Samsung 512. 512 megabytes. So let me get the new RAM out of the package and let's get it seated in. That's one in. Make sure these white tabs are out. Basically it just pushes in and locks into place. The smaller end, that side, goes this way. Click, click. The RAM is now seated. Next thing to do is button this up, plug it back in, see if it recognizes the RAM. Now, so far it's running. Did get a message that said firmware has detected a memory change, plus enter to continue. So let's go to my computer. View system information, let's see what it recognizes. 1.87 gigabytes of RAM, so it recognizes it. I put 2 gigs in and it's reading 1.87. So we're good, it's registering the RAM. So that was a success. That was a quickie. Thanks for watching.